All right, this is Tim Trades, NASDAQ Futures live. Live. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. All right, we are live. Okay, on the left screen here, we've got Tradingview with an indicator that we converted to a strategy and then converted it back to an indicator. And that's a 2-minute warning. 2 minutes before the market opens, 1 minute before we start looking for a trade here. We do have, let's see, make sure this is all set up correctly. Got Apex Trader funding accounts, and then on this other computer I actually have Tradovate account. I purchased one of their straight to funding accounts, so 50K straight to funding account. The main difference is I only have $2,000 of drawdown. I don't have the 2,500 as I do with Apex. Why am I switching it up? It's straight to funding, so I'm in a funded account. I just need to hit the $3,000 threshold, and then anything above $3,000, I can start pulling out, I think, increments of $500. And once I get a payout, I only need 5 days of trading to qualify for another $500 of payout. So it's 3 less days of trading in order to qualify for a payout once I'm in the groove of it. So that's why I did it. Okay, we're looking for a trade. Oh, shoot. If it goes short or... Oh, no. Okay.
Order filled.
I kind of prematurely hit the buy button, but we got a good fill. Looking for 13 points. Need another pump down. It's looking good. One more pump down. Oh, we missed it by a tick there. Jeez Louise. Now we're in drawdown. Oh, good. That was a good pump down. We need another pump down.
Order filled.
Okay, we got it on the Apex account, but my Tradovate account needs another pump down. Oh, I have one account running also. My 09 for some reason also needs a pump down.
Order filled.
Okay, got that account. Need one more. Oh my gosh, I missed it by a tick with my Tradovate account. I need another push down. And now Tradingview is acting weird on me. What? I don't want. Just seeing if I got the. Now we're taking heat. Great. So most of my accounts, that was a winner trade. My Tradovate account is still fluctuating. The actual indicator still is in the game. Because here's the, can you see it on the screen? I don't know if you can see it. Right here is where the signal came in, and it hasn't produced a liquidation signal. So it's a sell signal. It hasn't produced it's going to produce a green bar when it hits the 13 points. I mean, I got a good entry according to the signal, according to the strategy. With Apex, because when I got in, I got in on the pullback, so it was actually to my favor. So now this strategy is producing heat. For my Tradovate. How annoying. I got in earlier on my Tradovate account than I did my Tradovate or my Apex account, and because of that, my Apex account got in later, but it got in at a higher point. I went short. So I didn't have to get, I still got 13 points, but I got 13 points at a different level. So, okay, we're pushing down again. I need one more push down for my Tradovate account I'm at 170 profit for Tradovate. One more push down. Needs to kind of break down to the 24,985. Needs to break 24,985.225. 24,985, yeah. There we go, we got it. All right, now we're green across the board. Green across the board, folks. Yesterday was a red day, today is a green day. Green across the board. So I have 4 funded accounts because I bit the bullet and paid extra. With Apex Trader funding, it's like $40 plus $140 activation fee. $40 for the evaluation and then $140 to activate. So about $200 to obtain an Apex account. For $150 more through Tradovate, I was able to skip the evaluation and go straight to a funded account. So the question is, let's see, $150, so that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something like that. So worth the headache, and $150 more to have instant funding and quicker payouts. But you have $500 less drawdown. But the drawdown is end of day. It's not intraday. And it appears to be stagnant, because now it's showing I have $2,200 of drawdown. So it's not trailing. Is it stagnant? If it's stagnant, that's freaking awesome. Meaning it's end of day drawdown and it doesn't trail you. That'd be freaking awesome. I need to confirm that, but okay, actually. Here, let me see if I can confirm that. Okay, so I went to Grok and Grok AI to ask it about, because some of these funding, all of the prop firms, the rules are like super hard to find on their website. Probably because they want you to not really know them, so you are more likely to blow the accounts. Okay. Yeah, there's that. There's the exit point. So we're back on top. We're back winning. Grok is still working, thinking. Lightning. Okay, I got the Lightning funded account. Also known as Lightning funding account. Drawdown is end of day, trailing drawdown. It is enforced in real time during trading hours, but recalculated based on the account balance at the close of each trading day. It is trailing initially. The limit adjustment upward if the account balance increased by the end of the day. Okay. But doesn't increase. It locks and becomes static, non-trailing, once The profits exceed the drawdown limit by $100 on Simfund accounts. Example, 50K account with a 250 drawdown limit. It locks at an account balance of $5,100 when profits hit $2,600. So it becomes static once I have $2,000 of profit. That's awesome. That's better than I think Apex does that also. You get more. I think I'm normally not that much above, so I don't really notice it. But I think Apex does that too. Once you hit the profit target, then it becomes static drawdown. But the main difference is this is calculated at the end of the day. The drawdown is calculated at the end of the day. I think. Maybe I'm looking at this wrong. Maybe it's still an active $2,000. Yeah, intraday. Okay, intraday. So I can only is it trailing intraday? Oh my god. I'll do a little more research and get back to you guys. Okay. So let's see here. Okay, we're $200 back on today. Yesterday was a $700 lure, so I bumped it back. I scaled back up to the 13 points of profit to make this $700 back quicker. So I need just about 3 days to be $50. In 3 days, I can make $750. So in 3 days, I'll be green again. So it's like you miss out on 3 days because it's not $50 is not a significant amount of profit. So 3 days to get back into the swing of things. And then by then I should actually be qualified for another payout. All right, so I'm going to cut today's live stream short. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns. Watch my other videos for other strategies on a 1 minute chart. And we will see you guys tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Today's Tuesday. See you guys tomorrow.